Well, it's Thursday morning and I'm waiting on some parts for the blue car here. Waiting on metal to come for this one. Did get my welding gas bottle filled up though. So we're good there whenever, the rest of our metal comes in. We can start back on this. Hopefully this afternoon. I think we're gonna take a road trip in this today. I gotta go to the parts store and pick up a few things, and I might stop in and see a buddy or two here and there. Just till everything, kind of falls in line today. Let's get loaded up. Well, we're all loaded up. I'm gonna flip this little camera around here in just a moment, but didn't get a whole lot done today. I guess we more or less just drove this 90% of the day. Kind of hung out a little bit. But maybe tomorrow I'll bring a better video. Part of my steel order come in. And this is the 1x2 that I want to use for tie the frame in to the subframe mounts there. Still no square bar. It was supposed to be delivered today, but didn't. So maybe tomorrow by mid-afternoon we can get back on this. Get back on this video, but just got done moving everything back where it sleeps, and did do a little fixing on the Geo today. Didn't make a video on that. That's kind of went back in and fixed something that wasn't quite right. But hopefully, see y'all tomorrow. On a positive note, there's always something good that can happen. At least my Geo's back fixed. And got our bright LED headlights there. So let's take a moment to subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.